William? Oh, he's not going to see. He's looking at fireworks, he's not going to... I would have thought they'd done that for the countdown. Go on then. Hey, William!
The moss going on over there, why is that?
I think we're doing Catherine wheels down there.
Yeah. Well, that's the one I don't want.